Hi everyone, I am S. Prakash, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My topic is authorities under the Act. So, what is this authorities of under the Act? The work committees and duties of work committees, it is everything included to the uh, authorities under Act. So first one is a work committee. It is a negotiation is an important communication process used to resolve conflicts and it is a voluntary. So any industry specified in the factors of which appropriate government may it is satisfied the public emergency or public interest so requires. So the notification is an official gazette declares to be a public utility services for the purpose of this act for such period as may be specified the notification, provided that the period of so specified shall not in the first instance exist 6 months but may be a like notification be extended from time to time by any period not exceeding 6 months at any one time if in the opinion of the appropriate government public emergency or public interest requires such extensions. The railway company means a railway company as defined as a section 3 of the Indian Railway Act 1890. The retirement means the determinations by the employer of the services of workmen for any reason, the whatsoever otherwise than the punishment inflicted by the way disciplinary action, but does not include the duties of work committees. It shall be duty of workers committee to take measures for securing the preserving and the amity good relations between the employer and the workman, to comment upon the matters of their common interest and the endeavor to compose any materials difference of opinion in respect of such matters. So the conflict of it is different to the Conciliation Officers. Conciliation is a process by which discussion between the employees and the employees is kept going through the participation of a counselor. The counselor plays pivotal role in bringing around the parties involved in the disputes and held in resolving differences by making the parties understand and appropriate and the difficulties of each parties involved in the disputes in the industrial field. So the next is a settlement. Means a settlement arrived in the course of conciliation proceeding and includes a written agreement between the employer and workman arrived otherwise then in this course of conciliation proceeding where such agreement has been signed by the parties thereto in such manner as may be prescribed and a copy thereof has been sent to the conciliation officer. The next, the strike means the occasions of work by the body of persons employed in the industry acting combined and concerned refusals in the refusals under the common understanding if any numbers of persons who are the have been so employed to continue to work or accept employment. The trade union means a trade union registered under the Trade Unions Act 1926. Tribunal means it is an industrial tribunal constituted under section 7A and includes the industrial tribunal constituted before the 10th of the March 1957 under this act. So next is a it's very important to the concentrations to the unfair labor practices means in any practices specified fifth schedule. So it is a Village Industries Commission Act 1956. So the wages means all remunerations capable of being expressed in terms of money, which would if employment expressed or implied were fulfilled by the payable to a workman in respect of this employment. The next is a such allowance, including dearness allowance, is the workman of the work time being the entitled. It is any commissions payable on the promotions of sales, business, or both, or does not include any bonuses. In any contributions paid or payable by the employer to any pensions, found or provided fund or for the benefits of the workman under any law for the time being in force. Any gratuity payable on the terminations of these services. Workman means any person employed in any industry to do any manual, unskilled, skilled, technical, operational, clerical, or supervisory work for a hire or reward, whether the terms of employment be express or implied. So it is very important. In appropriate conciliations over shall behold the proceeding is prescription manner. It is the proceeding or within the such stored period as may be fixed by the appropriate